Hello guys, I'm Okta and now I want to give you a tutorial to make Chinese fried rice. Check it out.
First, we can prepare the ingredients. Carrot, chop carrot, and then garlic chop. 1 bowl of rice, 1 egg whisked, carrot, garlic, green peas, onion, and slit green onion, salt, flavor, shrimp, and cucumber. Okay, turn on the stove. Add a little cooking oil and stir fry mixed onion, garlic, and carrot, green peas, slice green onion until tender. Then on top, white pepper, flavoring, and stir fry. And then egg, whisked egg, and scramble until small curd form. Then white rice, fry the rice and shrimp. Fry the rice by lightly browning in a pan. Ooh, yummy! And serve on a plate while hot and garnish with thin slice of cucumber. Chinese fried rice is ready to eat.